Hi, my name is Dr. Patrick Murray, and my practice is Roper St. Francis Physician Partners Orthopaedics. So my specialty is treating hip and knee disorders, focusing on hip and knee replacement surgery, as well as revision hip and knee replacements. When I do a hip replacement, we use a minimally invasive approach called the direct anterior approach to the hip. This allows for a much quicker recovery and a more accurate placement of the implants. It allows the patients to get up and moving much quicker than they would have with a more traditional surgical approach for surgery. I found patients to do very well with this, and oftentimes it's the same day operation. Patients are going home later that afternoon and often walking around without a cane within a couple of weeks. In my free time, I like to spend time with my family. We like to go to the beach. We like to go boating and spend time on the water as much as we can. I also like to play music. I play piano and guitar. Occasionally I get together with some of my other coworkers and doctors from Roper and play music together. For me, it's very satisfying to see happy patients. It makes everything I've done worthwhile. All the years of training pay off when you see that what you do is actually making a positive impact on people's lives, and to see success stories. Favorite thing I do is surgery. I enjoy performing the operations and seeing our work come to fruition, and then seeing the patients in follow-up is satisfying when everything goes as planned.